Jalabios. See you see me. So, side of no, you know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Meeks. Today I'll be doing a quick transformation look. My hair is really messy, so I am going to try and transform my look in 10 minutes and just transfer that area under the wig. Yeah. So let's go. Let's do this. I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know if you have to bust some transformation sometime quick and fast. So I haven't worn this wig in probably a month or more because I've been wearing braids since August. But then yeah, when I removed the braids, the first long one, I just put this on for a couple days and then I got a short braids. So the braids are out now, and I don't really know what to do with my hair. I don't want to cream it because I am going to install a next wig over the weekend because it's my birthday weekend. So just I put on a wig for look different. I have been crazy all week since I removed the braids, so I'm just trying a different look today. The hair, it was tangled, or it is tangled, so what I'm using right now is a spray bottle to dampen the hair so that when I comb through, I don't have a lot of shredding, right? guys, this is the final look after I added the wig and do the cane them underneath and all these things. Now, for me, if you don't have no money for Christmas for the year and so because of the pandemic, you don't have no money like we didn't have it last year, what you can do if you have a wig, watch some YouTube tutorial and try install a wig yourself so you can save a little money there, because we all know that it's a tough time. So I deliberately uploaded this video during the Christmas time so we can conserve, we can save. Yes. So guys, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you like this video. I hope it helps someone to save a little change in them pocket. If you have a closure wig, you can install it yourself. So this is the final look. I've added a bundle to it. I'm gonna stand so you can see the back. See, you know, look bad. You know, look tree bad, you know. Yeah, guys. So I hope you stay safe. I hope you have a good preparation for your Christmas, and I'll see you. Bye.